Okay, here they come back. Lined up and getting ready for probably this will be our grand finale pass. Here they go, smoke on, ready now. And there it is, the firewall. Woohoo, baby, double firewall. All right, light it up, guys. All right. That is going to conclude today's Yuma Airshow. A double firewall. Yep. Well, that is it. Thank you all so much for watching today's Yuma Airshow. Yep. So that is it. I'm going to head on home. Thank you all so much. This is Aaron saying so long, everybody. See you next year. Take care, everyone. Have a great evening.